Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the Keltner Impulse MA study. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Keltner Impulse MA study. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 20 strategies with a total of 4 winners, and we have tested 356 indicators with a total of 145 winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you can take any one of those 145 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Alright, so today's indicator is the Keltner Impulse MA study. Quite a mouthful, and you can see it here on screen. It consists of quite a few different lines. Basically what we have is like the Keltner and a few moving averages and so on. Just basically a few indicators all layered on top of each other. And you can see here that it also changes the color of the candles or the bars, and that is really what we are going to watch for. And so what we are looking for is when the candles go green, we're going to go long. When the candles go red, we're going to go short. And so I know some of you are not a huge fan, including myself, of the indicators that change the color of the candles, but some of them, the way it functions that way is really we have no other option than to leave it on like this one. And so I apologize for that, but let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. Alright, so looks like right here on January 2nd, if I could speak right, fumbling over my words this evening. Alright, so right here we pick up a short signal, small little red candle right there, and unfortunately that's going to get stopped out pretty quick as price action turns around, takes off to the upside. Now that long signal right there definitely gets us to take profit. go ahead and continue forward here. We then pick up a short right here, but that gets canceled out by a long right there, and that one rather quickly gets canceled out by a short right there. That one's going to get us to take profit, definitely. Then we pick up a long over here on this side right there. Let's double check this one and see what it gets us to. Not quite the 60 pips. And so that one is going to get us stopped out as well. Then over here on this side, we pick up a short right there. That one does get us to take profit. So we're kind of running neck and neck right here at the moment. Pick up a long over here on this side. That one jumps up really nicely, getting us to take profit as well. Then a short right there. Let's see, did we get to the 60 pips on this one? Not quite yet. Whoops. And we are not going to, because we then pick up a reversal right there on that one, which gets stopped out by this little red candle right there, and pretty quickly swung in the opposite direction. That one does get us to take profit though. Let's go ahead and continue on here. Right there, we're gonna get a short. Let me double check this. Let's measure this out right here. So we pick up 60 pips right there, and that means that when we pick up another green right there, it's going to be another valid entry. Let's go back and double check that. I think we've had this actually happen a couple times, and I really wasn't paying much attention to it, but this little candle right here is actually blue, switches back to red right there on that one. So that one's actually going to get us to take profit as well. Let's be mindful of these. In reality, they would be continuations. Alright, so pick this back up over here on this side. So we get this pull down right there, getting us to take profit. Then we pick up a long right there. But rather quickly, we pick up a signal to the opposite side right here on a short. That one's going to get us to take profit though. Take profit there. We then pick up this one right here. That one's going to get canceled out by that long right there. Don't think that got us to take profit. Let's double check. Oh, it is really close. Let's expand this just a little bit here. There and there. Nope, we're not going to get to take profit. It was close, but not quite. Then we pick up a short over here on this side, and rather quickly swing in the opposite direction right there. That one's going to get us to take profit though. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and cut out some of the video. That way things don't get too much longer, and we'll pick this up when we're closer to the end of the year. Alright, so we are at the end of the year now. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below. Once you sign up for that, you'll have access to the Patreon only channel, where we are posting some really great advanced information, discussions about trading strategies and different indicators and mindset, the whole deal. Our admin Jay has also put together a rather lengthy list of winning indicators for the MT platforms, and so if you use the MT platforms quite a bit rather than Tradingview, that would be a rather helpful list for you to have in your arsenal. Our members and admins are also posting regular, almost everyday trade analysis, and so they're putting up screenshots of market conditions where they have marked out support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly where they are entering, exiting, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really, really quickly. And so if you're looking to train your eye to see those ideal market conditions or dial in a trading strategy, again, that is wonderful information for you to have. And recently, one thing that I've been doing is I've put together an Excel sheet of the winning or the strategies, the total strategies that we have tested. And so I'm passing that on to all the patrons, as well as the full list of indicators that we have tested. And so both those lists, you can see all the winners, all the losers, exactly what their win rate was. With the Excel sheet of the strategies, I've also put in links to the exact videos, so that way you can go back and review those and stuff like that. Again, really, really great stuff. It's really super cheap, doesn't cost hardly anything at all. So highly recommend you check that out. All right, back to the indicator here. Let's count these out, get everything in focus here. Like this, there, and that there. And so it definitely gave us quite a few trading signals. So let's count these out. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, and 38. So a total of 38 signals, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17 winning trades, winning signals. And so that's not going to meet the 60% criteria. This indicator was kind of a little bit of all over the place. It was giving quite a few signals, like I said in the beginning. So when you get 38 signals in 1 year's time, I know that we definitely need more than 5, 10, even 15. You start getting around 20 to 30 signals. That's really decent in 1 year's time. But when you have 38 often, it gets really inaccurate and starts to just kind of throw signals, you know, in every which way direction, and often ends up in a win rate that is not great, like this one. So this one's going to go on the no list, and we'll move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to Tradingview, and if you use that link to Tradingview to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.